Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing video. I've got a big package from Canada from our friend Eugen that I want to get into. This will be my last big purchase for this year and I wanted to go out with a bang. Essentially, I've more or less only been wearing the samples that I got from Eugen these last couple of days, and I decided, well, the best way to enjoy these perfumes was by getting the full bottles. So I decided to just take the plunge because I know that these are extremely high quality. I love the compositions. I think they provide quite a good value for, if you consider that they are made by the Atelier Francais de Matieres. They are 100 ml. They are done in small batch production, by the way. Thank you for the nice shirt, Eugen. I will enjoy wearing that one. And yeah, so I decided just to purchase them. And here we go, well packaged. 2 boxes. Little card with an astronaut. 1 extra card with a rose. And another Philosopher's War card. Let's get that out of the way. And let's get into the perfumes. So, this is how they come. If you buy more than one at least. So he has this nice quadrifoil logo. It's all taped shut. Let me get the knife back again. So I can open these. I don't want to hold you for too long, it's just I wanted to share my haul here essentially with you of some perfumes that you don't see that much. Here you go, 2 and then 2 more because that's the whole lineup essentially. That's all the perfumes that he makes. Which is nice because you shouldn't be releasing too much. You should be concentrating on a few that are high quality and that satisfy your preferences. Sorry for all the noise. Lots of packing material. And here are all 4. So there you go. That's the whole thing. So I've got this beautiful paper with a sleeve, and then you get nice little pull-out box. Reminds me a lot of the Frederick Malle packaging. And inside, in a cutout, there you have the bottles. There, I just dropped the cover. Very tightly packed. I'm trying not to mess up here. So here is number 1. Bellam. I'm going to have it on good authority that this is the last bottle of the first batch, but not to worry, the second batch is already on the way and it will be exactly the same formula, the same materials, so you can purchase them without worry once they arrive. Very nice heavy cap, lovely cap. I wonder, is this glass? Might be glass on the outside, magnetic as well. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. Let's get into the other ones. So here, this is the kind of nice paper that he puts on top. Really beautiful. And then this is how the sleeve looks like. Made in France, 80% volume. Eau de parfum. Here. Les Abstraits, l'Atelier Francais de Matieres, the producer of the Valerie and Rémy Pulveray. The Pulverays produced these. Same people that produce Les Indemodables. Same people that produce the German iris fragrances from Danner and Flemming. And this is the second one that I got, La Douleur Exquise. So this is their rose fragrance. Again, beautiful, beautiful cap, beautiful natural color juice, right? This is how they come just by the ingredients. And then we've got 2 more to go. Descendre. This is his 3rd release. I happen to be opening them in order of release, which is funny. This is his green, woody, smoky leathery chypre type of fragrance, kind of a little bit, maybe like for those of you that like Polo Green, the vintage one. Again, beautiful stuff. Just awesome. I'm very, very happy, and I will not be buying anything large anymore for a while. I hope I think this is really what represents what gets me excited about this hobby. A brand that does things right. Here, this is the new packaging with ingredients on it. The old ones, they don't have the big ingredients list, I think. Let me check the sleeves. Oh, yeah, it does also have ingredients. Okay, interesting. This one comes without water. So this is actually 20% concentration then, because if it says 80% volume and there's no water in it, that means all the rest of it is fragrance. Unless they count some of the alcohol compounds to the 80%, then it's maybe a little bit less of the oil, but it counts. Okay, so this is the newest release, Philosopher's Walk, and he hand packages these with some extra purple paper, which is beautiful. Lovely stuff. I don't know why purple here. I have to ask him what the purple is about. Maybe it's to do with heaven and earth, blue and red, something like that. Yeah, so this is the newest release, and this will be my scent of the day. So I can test the sprayers for you as well. Let me just show all of them in their glory. Here we go. 4 Les Abstraits. If we go by order of release. There we go. This way. 4 of them. His one of his favorite brands. Maybe some inspiration here in terms of the packaging. Les Indemodables. Anton Lee did these. And also this one. So we've got a nice picture here. Very, very happy. Let me spray this on so you can see the sprayer. It looks really nice. Let's see. This will be my scent of the day. If it works. It's a little bit bent. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me check. Oh no. Grande malheur. Alright, so it won't be my scent of the day, I think. If you can see it. The sprayer got bent. Oh, if I can fix that. That's unfortunate. But we'll be able to fix that somehow, I'm sure. We'll manage. Ah, okay. No, something happened here. Maybe it got a little bit jumbled during the shipping. Okay, I got it to spray at least. But it's definitely a little bit off kilter. Yeah, so maybe. But it works, at least something. Not to worry. We'll figure it out. That's so nice. I think out of the full bottle is even nicer than out of the decant, out of the little sample. Very lemony in the opening. Lavender, neroli, lots of lemon. It's kind of metallic, but so many beautiful naturals in here. You can check the ingredients list again. This one is really beautiful to wear. I will be wearing this mostly in summer probably. All right. That's about it. Just a real quick unboxing and showing you the new acquisitions, the last ones of this year. And thank you so much for watching. Be kind to each other. Be safe. Stay healthy. And take care. Bye-bye.